Listening.
Guilty pleasures.
Guilty. Listen, it's either gross groceries, guilty pleasures. I don't know. My dad scrambled my brain. I've been EMP for the past 2 months. Okay. Mentally lost. Shouts to my boy Green D Man for the fucking name. And this one is dedicated to my mentor, Dracu. I'm sorry. I had to take the door is finished. I think. I hope.
Nope.
Shouts to Deshaun with the name Guilty Pleasures though too, or Wombo. I don't know. Listen, it's too many fucking names. I didn't want to waste my bread on this experiment. As you can see, I'm down to my last. Hey, this is expensive bread. This is like $6 worth of bread. But take a bite, cause that was good. All right. I'm not mad. If I was to rate this, 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5.